Introducing our medical water filters. Intensive care for your hospital water. Our innovative technology offers ultimate protection for your immunocompromised hospital patients. The medical shower filter looks and feels just like an ordinary shower, but it contains hollow fiber membranes. Water plumbing systems always contain a certain level of microbiological contamination. Under specific circumstances, these microbes can multiply and pose a threat to the health of both patients and staff. Thanks to the porous structure of the membranes, all kinds of bacteria are retained from the water. The results of our innovative medical water filters: guaranteed safe hospital water.